Okay, right. Then another student has asked a question regarding the weightage of each and every chapter, right? So weightage used to be more easy for me to give. Now also I will give it to you. But you know, weightage used to be very easy for us to tell you as a faculty when it used to be 100 marks of the theory part in the paper. And a pura 100 marks when it used to be theory, it used to be wonderful to give you the weightage. But now, you know, if I tell you, okay, one question comes or two question comes, then that one or two question which I talk about is only from the 70 marks in the theory part of the paper. There's always a different set of weightage which comes in the 30 marks of the MCQ part of the paper. Like what happens? You know, like I'll just give you one example to make it clear for you. Okay, now that chapter is not there in your syllabus, a chapter called as peer review and quality review. Now only in our quality control standard, we have a passing reference to peer review, quality review. But there is no separate chapter today in the new syllabus for peer review and quality review. But when this theory chapter was there of the peer review and the quality review, that time, you know, its weightage used to be like, you know, it doesn't come in every exam, but if a question comes, generally there could be a question of 5 marks. And then, you know, sometimes if they are in the mood, they'll ask one question on peer review, one on quality review. So then the weightage could go up to 8 to 10 marks, or sometimes no question coming from this particular chapter. Earlier, like only when it was theory part of the paper. Then now what they did, when the MCQ part was also introduced in the paper, one exam 10 mark integrated case study entirely on the chapter of peer review, quality review. So if you depend only on, oh yeah, peer review, quality review chapter, generally one question comes, or generally, you know, maximum 2 questions can come. You go in the exam hall, you see MCQ, integrated case study, 10 marks, peer review, quality review. Right? So yeah, that is one point of alert. You know, though we see, you know, you can't go under the impression, oh yeah, this chapter, it is, you know, not much asked in the exam. Oh, you know, this chapter, lot asked in the exam. And according to that, you study. That is not going to be a great way for you to study. I repeat my sentence. You look at the weightage given to the different chapters, and then you say, oh yeah, this chapter has lot of weightage, this chapter not much weightage, so this chapter I study more and this chapter I study less. I think you might fall in a pitfall if you go only under the impression of looking at the weightage of the marks. Why am I saying so? Because of the MCQ. ऐसे खतरनाक, such dangerous MCQ they prepare, wherein, you know, they will get one small point over there from the bank audit, 1 point over there from the ethics, 1 point over there somewhere regarding some SA 800 series, then 1 point over there regarding the CARO, and then someone's passing reference over there of PSU. And then you see the, you know, integrated case study, and then 5 questions asked of 2 marks each. Okay, so